Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best Android car stereos that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is PLZ7 Touchscreen Double DIN Car Stereo. The PLZ 7-inch wireless double DIN car stereo offers a smooth way to enjoy music, navigation, and hands-free control while driving. It supports both wireless and wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing connection to a smartphone as soon as the engine starts. Navigation from applications such as Google Maps or Waze helps plan routes efficiently, while playlists from streaming services and voice assistants provide an effortless driving experience. With a built-in digital signal processor and a 4.2-channel preamplifier, this system delivers a maximum output of 240 watts. 2 subwoofer outputs create deep bass and vibrant sound quality. A 10-band equalizer allows adjustment of audio settings for a more personalized sound. To maintain performance, a large heat sink improves heat dissipation and prevents overheating from affecting audio clarity. Bluetooth 5.3 technology with an additional antenna ensures faster pairing, better signal stability, and clearer calls. The built-in microphone and option for an external microphone keep voice commands and conversations clear, even at higher speeds. The 7-inch IPS high-definition touchscreen offers a resolution of 1024 by 600, providing vivid colors and sharp detail for videos, navigation, and mirrored content. Wired mirror link makes it simple to connect compatible devices for expanded viewing. Steering wheel control compatibility allows volume adjustment, track changes, and voice command activation without taking hands off the wheel, making driving safer and more convenient. This enhances control while keeping attention on the road. In our list, the number 2 product name is Boss Audio Systems Touchscreen Car Stereo. The Boss Audio Systems BCPA10 Single DIN Car Stereo brings wireless connectivity and clear sound performance in a modern design. It allows seamless use of smartphone functions through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, enabling access to maps, messages, music, and calls without losing focus on driving. Voice control and touchscreen operation make navigation between applications easy and distraction-free. The large 10.1-inch capacitive display offers sharp visuals with adjustable tilt in multiple directions for better viewing from different angles. Its floating design extends outward for improved visibility, making it suitable for varied dashboard setups. Multicolor illumination enhances the interior atmosphere, giving a personalized style to the car's entertainment area. Bluetooth technology supports smooth audio streaming and stable hands-free calls, keeping conversations clear while on the move. Dual USB ports allow both media playback and device charging, ensuring smartphones remain powered during long trips. Support for high-resolution audio files delivers richer and more detailed sound quality for an enjoyable listening experience. Front and rear camera inputs assist with safer maneuvering, while multiple preamplifier outputs provide flexibility for connecting additional speakers or subwoofers. The external microphone included ensures voice commands and calls remain clear even in noisy environments. With a compact single DIN chassis and simple installation requirements, it fits a variety of vehicles. Its combination of visual clarity, responsive control, and versatile connectivity makes it a practical upgrade for drivers seeking both style and performance in their in-car audio system. In our list, the number 3 product name is SJOYBRING Touchscreen Car Stereo. The SJOYBRING Upgrade Wireless Double DIN Car Stereo delivers a smooth connection between smartphone and vehicle through both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Music, calls, navigation, and messages can be accessed with simple voice commands through Siri or Google Assistant, allowing drivers to remain focused on the road. The 7-inch high-definition capacitive touchscreen offers a sharp display with responsive touch controls, while physical buttons such as the volume knob make operation simple during driving. With 4.2-channel output, including 2 high-power subwoofer ports, the system produces clear sound and deep bass. The 10-band equalizer lets users adjust audio to match different listening preferences, creating a more immersive experience. Bluetooth connectivity with an external antenna ensures stable streaming and reliable hands-free calling, while the built-in microphone keeps conversations clear. The mirror link function allows the smartphone screen to be displayed on the stereo through a USB connection, making it easy to use maps, videos, and music applications directly on the larger display. The included rear-view camera supports high-definition night vision with a wide viewing angle, activating automatically when shifting into reverse for safer parking. Front and rear camera support, multiple RCA ports, steering wheel control compatibility, and USB charging make it adaptable for many vehicles. Designed with efficient heat dissipation and a compact standard double DIN size, it offers simple installation when paired with the right dash kit and wiring harness for the specific car model. In our list, the number 4 product name is HAUXIY Wireless Touchscreen Car Stereo. The HAUXIY Q9S wireless Apple CarPlay screen for car offers smooth smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Once connected via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, it allows access to navigation, calls, music, notifications, and messages with simple voice commands using Siri or Google Assistant. This hands-free control enhances safety while keeping attention on the road. The 9-inch high-definition display is paired with a 4K front camera and a 1080p waterproof night vision rear camera, providing clear recording during both day and night. The front camera captures sharp driving footage, while the rear camera assists in safe parking by activating automatically when reversing. The built-in collision sensor locks accident footage to prevent it from being overwritten, and the parking monitor records short clips when detecting vibrations even with the engine off. Mirror link support lets the smartphone screen be displayed on the large monitor, making it easy to use mapping applications, play videos, or browse media. Audio can be enjoyed through Bluetooth streaming, FM transmission, aux connection, or local playback, delivering clear sound even in busy environments. Real-time GPS navigation offers accurate routes without delay when paired with a phone, supporting popular applications such as Google Maps and Waze for updated traffic and lane guidance. Installation is simple with a plug-and-play setup through the cigarette lighter without removing the factory stereo. Designed to fit cars, trucks, vans, and pickups, it adds convenience, entertainment, and safety to everyday driving. In our list, the number 5 product name is BuonaIdea Wireless Touchscreen Car Stereo. The BuonaIdea Wireless Double DIN Car Stereo offers a simple way to bring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto into any vehicle without replacing the factory radio. After the first setup, the system connects automatically via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, giving instant access to navigation, calls, music, and messages through Siri or Google Assistant voice control. This hands-free operation keeps focus on driving while still enjoying smartphone functions. The 7-inch high-definition touchscreen with a resolution of 1024 by 600 provides a clear and vibrant display for maps, videos, and applications. The mirror link feature allows the phone screen to be replicated on the larger display, making it ideal for streaming videos or using GPS navigation on long trips. Designed for cars, trucks, recreational vehicles, and pickups, the system mounts securely to the dashboard with an adjustable bracket for better viewing angles. The included backup camera activates automatically when reversing, delivering a clear view even in rainy conditions thanks to its waterproof design and adjustable positioning. Multiple audio output options include built-in speakers, Bluetooth streaming, aux connection, and FM transmission to play sound through the vehicle's existing audio system. Users can also listen to live radio, weather updates, and news directly from the stereo. With ports for USB drives, SD cards, external microphones, and video inputs, it supports a wide range of devices and accessories. The compact and portable design makes it a practical upgrade for drivers seeking both convenience and improved in-car entertainment. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.